Now in this question, a function f maps the set of natural numbers to whole numbers such that f of xy is equal to f of x into f of y plus f of x plus f of y for all x and y, and f of p is equal to 1 for every prime number p. Then the value of f of 16,000 is my question. Now I have f of p equal to 1. So whenever you get questions like this, try to identify the pattern by substituting some initial values for the input variable. So I'm going to keep the prime number as 2. So output is going to be 1. If I have to calculate the value of f of 4, what will I do? This is nothing but f of 2 into 2. So using this given equation, I can write this as what? F of 2 into f of 2 plus f of 2 plus f of 2, which is going to be a 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is going to be a 3. If I have to calculate the value of f of 8, say, so then this can be written as 2 square into 2, which is nothing but f of 4, which is nothing but f of 2 square into f of 2 plus f of 4 plus f of 2, and this will be 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is going to be 7. Now you are able to identify the pattern, right? See, f of 2 is equal to a 1, which is nothing but a 2 power 1 minus 1. Similarly, f of 4 is equal to 3, which is equal to a 2 square minus 1. F of 8, which is 2 cube, is equal to 7, which is nothing but 2 cube minus 1. So I'm going to generalize this as what? If I get a prime number in 2 powers, not prime number, numbers that are expressed in powers of 2, then it can be generalized as 2 power n minus 1. Now I have to calculate the value of what? F of 16,000. This can be written as f of 2 power 4 into 10 to the power 4. Again breaking 10 in terms of prime numbers, 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 5 power 4, which is going to be f of 2 power 8 into into 5 power 4. So again using the same equation, I can write this as what? F of 2 power 8 into f of 5 power 4 plus f of 2 power 8 plus f of 5 power 4. So I need the value of f of 2 power 8. That can be found using this generalized equation, right? But I need the value of f of 5 power 4. So what happens if my input is 5? Again a prime number is equal to 1. If I have to find the value of f of 25, say 5 square, then this is 5 f of 5 into f of 5. Again this can be written as what? F of 5 into f of 5 plus f of 5 plus an f of 5. So which is going to be a 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is going to give me a 3. Now let's say I have to calculate the value of f of 125. So there is 5 cube, which is equal to a 5 f of 5 square into f of 5 plus f of 5 square plus f of 5, which is going to be a 3 into 1 plus a 3 plus 1, which is going to be 7. Again I'm able to find out a pattern, right? F of 5 is equal to 1, which is nothing but 2 power 1 minus 1. F of 5 square, which is 25, which is equal to a 3, which is 2 square minus 1. F of 5 cube is equal to a 2 power 3 minus 1, which gave me a 7. That means f of any prime number to the power n is equal to 2 power n minus 1. So we have generalized the second part also. So then I can straight away apply this in the final equation. F of 2 power 8 is 2 power 8 minus 1, which is going to be a 255. And f of 5 power 4 is 2 power 4 minus 1, which is 15, plus 255 plus 15, which is going to give me 4095 as the answer for this question, option D.